What is up, guys? Welcome to today's YouTube video. Actually, I just want to show you guys. Today's gonna be quick and short. I just want to show you guys like what I got today. It's gonna be pretty cool. I don't know if you guys will think it's cool, but I think it's cool, me personally. But so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing on what it is. Actually, I never talked about it, honestly. So yeah, let me just do a quick unboxing and show you guys what it looks like. But yeah, I think it's pretty dope. I think it's gonna do an overall a big improvement on the GTI interior. So yeah, no further ado, let me do a quick unboxing and show you guys what this looks like, because I'm pretty stoked on it. It finally got here, so yeah, I haven't opened it, so I'm really stoked to open it and just see what it looks like, because yeah, honestly, I think it's gonna be really cool. So yeah, enough of me saying it's looking cool and stuff. I'll just show you guys what the part looks like. So yeah, so I do have two parts from Black Forest Industries. If you don't know who they are, then, and if you do know who they are as a company, then you already know what this possibly could be for my Mark 7.5 G. And yeah, this is what came in the other box. It's a shift boot. So it's Alcantara with a red, I forgot, this is with a red leather. I forgot what it was, like an air pocket leather shift knob, but it's really heavy. I like the weight to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this out, and then let's go get these installed in the car. Now there's these clips that you want to take off. These are all clips that keep the shift bolt in. You just want to go ahead and clip them. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Alright, what's up, guys? Welcome back. I am back now. Don't mind my hair, it's kind of a little crazy anyways. It looks a little poofy. Yeah, I know. But anyways, I'm done with the shifter, the short shifter, well, actually shift knob install. So it's actually it took a little bit longer than it should have. But yeah, it's installed now and it looks pretty cool in my opinion. The red Alcantara, well, the Alcantara with the red stitching with the BFI red shifter looks phenomenal. It looks amazing, honestly. But yeah, it could not look better, and it looks OEM plus, honestly. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and yeah, I'm gonna just show you what you guys look like, because it looks pretty sick. This looks like, honestly, my favorite, because like you get the red accent with the. I did went ahead and actually put the shifter coin in there, so like you know which gears you're supposed to go into. But yeah, it looks so clean. Now I just gotta get the Alcantara version for this, and it looks so clean. Do like this setup right now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Well, that was really close. I hope you two guys enjoyed today's video. I really do appreciate you guys watching my videos. But yeah, if you guys do enjoy this content and you guys want to watch more of me and doing more installs to this GTI, I really do appreciate if you guys hit that like and also smash that comment section. Let me know what you guys liked about videos or you want to see in future videos, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. And yeah, take care, guys. Thank you for watching. Peace out, guys.